When I know I'll be away from the studio for a while, these are the 5 sets of items that I always like to bring with me. So if you are a collage artist like me and you are planning a big trip or perhaps a move and you know you'll be away from your primary space for a good amount of time, I just wanted to share a quick video about the things that I always like to bring with me and how I do that. So of course I start off with my journals. You guys know that I love my art journal. Whether you have a smaller one like this one, which I had brought on our Vietnam trip last year. This is a great size. It's about 5 by 5 inches watercolor paper. And as you can see, you can still, even though it's smaller, you can still make pretty substantial artwork in there and just capture a whole lot of things. Or, of course, my larger journal that I use all the time is great as well if you're able to bring something that size. So I always make sure I have one of these or both journals with me. And then I like to pull out a pile of scrap paper. Some of these papers I have cut, so they're nice and clean cuts, and some I have torn, but they're just easy to pack. They're pretty flat. And speaking of packing, I like these zip pouches, and I will put the link for all these items below. But you can see how, especially with papers, where I don't really care if they get a little crumbly or a little smashed, you can really spread them out really well, and then they can just be packed pretty minimally. The other set of papers I like to bring, and I've done videos on these, is my tissue paper where I've painted or drawn some designs on them, because I love, as you guys know, incorporating these into my collage work. So here I just put them in a Ziploc bag, and that way I can really squeeze out a lot of the air, and I find that just really easy to pack. And because it's tissue paper, it's a lot thinner and it doesn't take up a lot of space at all. So I can put that right in with the other collage papers that I'm bringing. Easy peasy. And as you can see, that really packs down. Okay, and then of course I need some writing or drawing tools, so I always include a couple Sharpies, and then I've been really liking these paint markers by Sharpie, a mechanical pencil I always have with me. So just a few different colors, especially I want to include black in there, and I can put those in one of these zipper pouches as well. A pair of scissors fits in here in case I need that. I would normally bring a smaller pair of scissors, but this is the only one I could find today. And then a glue stick, which is always good for travel. It's easy, it's not messy. And then if I'm able to have the space, I love bringing my washi tape, because if you've seen a lot of my latest videos, I love incorporating this into my collage work. So here I have all the washi tape I think I own in this bag. I would not necessarily bring all of these if I was doing a quick trip, but I have them here. And then this bag is just filled with miscellaneous stuff that I like to use in my artwork and collage. I have some stamps, some post-it notes, some extra lead for my mechanical pencils, and just little types of journaling things or things that I like to bring along and have with me. So this pile here is definitely a larger pile than I normally would do if I was just doing a quick trip, but they're my 5 basic things that I always like to have with me when I'm traveling, and especially when I know I'm going to want to be doing some collage work. And the good thing about these items is you can easily incorporate them in your suitcase along with your clothes. They can pack small. And one tip too is if you bring this many items with you, you can always have a smaller bag that you take out to a cafe or a brewery when you want to do some creating out and about. So you don't always have to bring all these things with you everywhere you go. So I would love to know what you take when you know that you're going to be traveling and also wanting to create artwork. What are your tips? What are your favorite items? Please share below, and I would love to hear it. Hope everyone's doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers!